factor tree of 204. So 204, it can be written as 2 times 102. 2 times 102, it is 204. 102, it can be written as 2 times 51. 2 times 51 means 102. 51, it can be written as 3 times 27. 3 times 27 means 51. 27, it is 3 times 9. 3 times 9 means 27, and 9, it can be written as 3 times 3. 3 times 3 means 9. So now we have to select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, 2, these 3. So from these prime numbers, we can write 204 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is these 2 times these 2 times these 3 times these 3 times these 3, and at last these 3. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.